Today we will be installing Burndy's BTCGC250 to ladder tray. Once the desired mounting location is determined, loosen hardware as needed by hand, so that the conductor and flange may be accommodated. Next, apply Penetrox A oxide inhibitor to mounting surface and connector as shown. Once an even coat of Penetrox is applied, begin assembly by mounting the connector first to the mounting surface and tighten by hand. With your Burndy torque wrench, tighten hardware to 275 inch-pounds. Now, apply Penetrox A to the connector wireway. Finally, install conductor in connector wireway. Hand tighten as needed, and torque to 275 inch-pounds. Your installation is now complete. For more information, visit www.burndy.com.